TIPRA Motha BJP Mankha BJP wo sengmeng kawi tangkha kabang ma tangko songlokuraw ni thali wo tamni hinba sekang wo BJP wo habnai rok eba TIPRA Motha ya karnai rok no hongke koksil sajago social media ni simi rang manei te rang lup ni bagui no BJP wo habo TIPRA Motha ya karo asuk simi ya wansano hamjago eba dofano hamjagya dofano naisrema bagui TIPRA Motha khaya BJP o habo honai koksil samung rojago belai khuk hamya bai tentai jago phia tabok srai kasawi phaika TIPRA Motha sakbai thang BJP o hapkha minister ni bagui IPFT bai busuk phelai ma tong sengmung kajak tongko songborang rok ni thaliwo IPFT hai boromura wo mankha hanai musalai mani ullono minister mano IPFT bo phia TIPRA Motha bo abo haino TIPRA Motha IPFT bai busuk phelai sengjak ui tangkha dogan pat ni simi bebak haba hukba tangko songtang nai rok bai tabok sengmung kawi tongo tumung no BJP o hapkhe dofano hamjagya hangkhe rang lup ungkhe tabok TIPRA Motha busuk rang mankha amhaino sengmung bebak jagao salai manglok jagai tangkha phiaba TIPRA Motha ni tabok supporter rok kaham khe busiwi manlia tangui Greater Tipraland Agreement go sekhanai musaromani ulo minister kene asokha tei BJP bai daiwi thangkha belai wana laijak eba busilai malia bo khoroknwi himlaijak phiaba age sekangwo BJP no gubek hanai humani patal konna reboti Rampodo Mongol Deborma songhai BJP khaiwo hanai parawo haroya angmani tabok TIPRA Motha tama angnai eba borok no sabotamo hanai sengmung omhaino
as per the agreement now we also will be the part of the government.
Kishore Deborma has recently shared a voice message as he said that you are going to make a pressure being in the government and he will make a pressure outside of the government in the central party. So what will be the pressure and what will be the issues?
See, whatever responsibility I had been given personally by the party, I always tried my level best to perform. I had no experience of being a minister in the state cabinet. After 22 years of my political life, first time I'm going to assume the office of cabinet minister. Let me enter, let me see, let me learn, let me know, and I'll let the people know. What exactly will be my role? How can I perform? What will be the responsibilities? Everything after entering in the government, I'll come to know and let me try to perform. And as Maharaja says, I'm also with them, with him. The party's decision will be the final decision.